Okay, so I'm going to show you how to create a loop stitch in a half double crochet. So what I want you to do is yarn over and insert your hook into the next stitch, and then you're going to, with your pointer finger, create like a upside down U, and then you're going to go ahead and grab the yarn that's in back of your finger and in front. You're going to pull both through your stitch, and it's going to make 2 loops. So you should have a total of 4 loops on your hook, and you'll have the loop over your pointer. And what I do is I take my finger out of there and drop it back and just kind of hold it with my middle finger in place just to keep it out of the way. Then I grab my working yarn and I bring it through all 4 loops. And so now I have my half double crochet and my loop stitch. So just yarn over, insert it into your stitch, use your pointer finger to create your upside down U, bring your hook around and grab both strands of yarn from the front and the back of your U. That's 4 stitches. Take your finger out and hold it in place and grab your working yarn and pull it through all 4 loops. So yarn over, insert your hook, grab the yarn from in front and in back of your upside down U, pull it through, take your finger out, yarn over and bring it through all 4 loops. Yarn over, put it through, grab the yarn from in back and in front, pull it through all 4 loops. I'm going to go ahead and chain 1 and turn and do the half double crochet loop stitch 2 together. In that way it'll show you how to do it, make it a little easier for you instead of trying to read my notes and do it. So you're going to yarn over, insert your hook, grab your yarn from front and back just like your regular loop stitch with your 4 loops on the hook. You're not going to complete it by pulling your yarn through the 4 loops. Instead you're going to drop your loop, hold it in place, yarn over, and go into the next stitch. Grab your next loop and pull it through. You should have a total of 7 loops on your hook. And you're going to go ahead and grab your working yarn and pull it through all 7 loops. You're in a sense just creating a half double crochet 2 together, but instead you're creating the loops with it. So on the other side you'll see that you have 1, 2 loops, but 1 stitch. I'm going to go ahead and create my next stitch and then show you it one more time. So yarn over, insert your hook, grab your loop, there's your 4 loops, but you're going to let go of the loop you just created, yarn over one more time, insert it into the next stitch, grab your loop, pull it through, and now you have 7 loops on your hook. Grab your yarn and pull it through all 7 loops. That's how you create a 2 together. For the next step, you'll have to do 3 together if you're doing the newborn size. You're going to yarn over, insert your hook, grab your loop. You have your 4 loops on your hook now. You're going to drop your finger out of that loop, yarn over, insert into the next loop, or the next stitch I mean, pull through. Now you have your 7 loops. You're going to do it one more time, yarn over, insert your hook, grab your loop stitch, pull it through. Now you should have 10 loops on your hook. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 loops on your hook, yarn over, and pull through all 10 loops. you will want to chain 10, or you chain 1, I mean, sorry, chain 1. And what I would do now is cut my tail long and just pull it straight through there. And once I have done and pulled that through there, I would just pull it real tight, and that will create a real tight slip stitch, and then you can knot it right at the slip stitch, that way it doesn't come undone. And that's how you make your stripe. When you have completed your stripe, you'll notice you have loops on the back and on the front. You want to go ahead and take your hook, and I'll kind of show you what I mean. Let's say I want to pull them all to this side. So I'll insert my hook and grab a loop and pull it through. You'll just do that for all your loops on one side, pulling them all to the same side. And that is how you do the loop stitch. The loop stitch half double crochet 2 together, and the loop stitch half double crochet 3 together. So if you need any extra help, just let me know. I'd be happy to help you.